Alright, so how is YouTube doing today? Just Junior with Shooter Option Targets again coming at you. So out here working in the garage and stuff, and a few nights ago I had some raccoons getting in my garbage can, and I thought, you know what, I'll be the nice guy, do the humane thing, go get me one of them live traps, sit that joker out there, catch them, take them down to the farm, turn them loose, everything will be fine. Well, it had been real cold and nasty and nothing had messed with it. It's been about 5 days now. And I'd kind of forgotten about the trap. But yeah, I'm out here working today. I'm out here working on some signage. Out here doing a little stuff here. Nothing major, just a few signs. So as you can see, got my live trap over here on the corner. And I put some pieces of excess metal on the top, you know, to keep snow out of it and stuff. Well, yeah, I might have something other than a raccoon. Look at that fine and dandy joker. Would you look at the size of that joker's got a stripe on him. Man, he'd make a good tan. Send that hide off and get her tanned. Yeah, the last one I frickin' skin out. Wife wouldn't let me in the house for 3 days, so I'm gonna have to find out something else to do with this little joker. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get that trap door opened up, that trap spun around there, and let him roll on down the road. But yeah, don't turn around there, buddy. It's okay. I'm not messing with you at this particular moment. Alright guys, so here's just a little something we've been working on today. I've been on it today. But yeah, I got the backing painted and everything. Got the front piece all painted up, put metallic on it and everything. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? We in here trying to get some prim and proper photos in the old Photoshop booth here. But yeah, I don't think it looks too bad at all. Turned out really, really well. Metallic colors come out pretty good. Getting them bright lights. But yeah, if you guys need anything done like that or whatever, just let us know here at Shooter Option Targets. We'll hook you up. But this is going to be one we're going to try to come out on the market with, keep it in stock on a fairly regular basis and everything. Put it in a couple of retail stores that carry our stuff around here. And see what happens. Maybe people will like it, maybe people won't. So, alright guys. Alright guys, we finished this one here up to day 2. We kind of wrote this into a 2-day video, but I didn't have a whole lot going on. But yeah, we got the Texas flag in there. That's what I'm talking about. The Lone Star action. But yeah, I think it turned out fairly well. Didn't look bad at all. But you guys leave us a comment down there and tell us what you think. But get a hold of us, Shooter Option Targets on Facebook, or send us an email, shooteroptiontargets@gmail.com. But yeah, anyway, that's kind of what we got going on today. Probably be a 2-day video. Roll everything together. I put some cutting stuff in there and everything. It's kind of be a hodgepodge collection of everything. But shout out to Elite Earthworks. That's right. We got that hooked up. And also shout out to Miss Elite Earthworks. So yeah, we got the sticker collection going on. But look at there, would you look? So yeah, we got the new Shooter Option Targets die cut stickers in too. So you guys want some of them? Just hook me up or look me up. But I got a couple orders of those going out to some guys who's purchased some stuff. I forgot to slip them in the other day. So you guys will be looking for those in the mailbox. You'll be getting them shortly. So that's all we got this evening, guys. We're gonna wrap this stuff up. Get the heck out of here. Get up to the house, get us some supper. It's getting late, and it's a nice day out here. I've kind of wasted away in the garage, but we're gonna get us some stuff on the barbecue up there and have at it. So everybody have a good, fine, outstanding evening, and we'll catch you guys later. We out.